Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Karon naami karon sa Kaningag, Mount Kaningag diri sa Pintuyan. Unya, sabit ra mi diri kay ang duha ka lovebirds magdate nta. Anja kay gidamon mi. Anya kay what else? Ganahan mi og road trip. So, nanguban mi. Chillin'. Duta. You see, malawak ang aking mga lupain. Ang kada ko dyan ni nga lugar. Diyan makita niyo mo pa yung giraffe dito. Ang zebra. My kind of holiday. Ay pinaposing pa daw sa dito. Humana. Post yun. Pilingon po din kasang pinapusing po. Matanaw sa kasa nag-date. Representing the lovebirds. Muna among ribbon na. Yung lipa yarn yarag mga bloopers mga samukan sa trip. Sige na. Horror ang pen diring dapita. Creepy.
Ito mo rin magunag
TikTok sa tabire. Ito ano yung lugar na.
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, bet I made you look. I made you look. Yeah, I look good in my Versace dress, but I'm hotter when my morning hair is a mess. 'Cause even with my hoodie on, bet I made you look. I made you look.
Post sa mi diri dapita mura mi og model. May sa baa pa ning uwan diri dapita.
Like a lady ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bear with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, tip of my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill, it's only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me down. Sway me, make me, thrill me, hold
moments later.
You got the kind of love that always make up after fussing, and that's what gets me closer to you. And no one knows why I'm into you. Cause you'll never know what it's like to walk in our shoes. I know they wanna come and separate us, but they can't do us nothing. You're the one I want and
Okay, maura to guys. Maulit na kami. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.